Hi guys, having a bit of a quiet day today, not going out. I've got a cup of tea here, got my toast and marmalade, got some grapes, some blueberries, and I've got some shout out requests, so I thought I'd do those. I've got my little green screen up here, so I'll try and put some videos from these people in the green screen. The first one I've got is Riot Tube, I think that is, Create Tube or something like that. It's I can't remember where they come from, might be Brazil or somewhere like that. Anyway, they've asked for a shout out for their friend DIY Alexandra Louisa. Now, I don't like doing shout outs for people's friends. I would rather people asked for themselves, because I never know whether it's a genuine request if you're asking for somebody else. So I'll put a clip of their video up here, their channel video, but apologies if they haven't actually asked for the shout out themselves. They may not want one. Then I've got RC with Popeye, would like me to publicise their channel, so should have a clip from their channel there. And then the third one is I'm not going to pronounce this right, am I? Lucas Borges Inventos. When I actually go to the link they've given me, it actually comes up with mcpe Minecraft Gamer pt.br. Again, I don't know if that'd be Brazil, that's just a guess. But we'll have a little clip, one of their videos there. And that's it. 3 shout outs. I shall eat my toast, drink my tea. I was trying to do an ornithopter. I bought a pack of 10 of them, very cheap. They weren't working very well, and then it started raining, so I can't really go outside and do that either. Bit of a quiet day. Thanks for watching anyway.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.